Good morning, students. We are going to continue practice set 16.3 of chapter Surface Area and Volume. In this exercise, we are going to find out volume of cylinder. Okay, let's start with our exercise 16.3. In my previous lecture, I have explained the concept of cylinder. Now, the formula to find volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. To find the volume of cylinder, students, you have to use the formula pi r square h. R is radius of the base and h is the height of the cylinder. Okay. Now, students, let's start with our first question. What is given? Find the volume of cylinder if the height h and radius r are as given below. Now, student, you have to remember to find volume of cylinder, the two things required is radius and height of the cylinder. So, first one, the radius given is 10.5 centimeter and the height given is 8 centimeter. So, we have to find the volume of the cylinder. So, solution, the radius of the base of cylinder R is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Height h equal to 8 centimeter. So next step we'll write down. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Please do write the formula. It carries half marks. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now student will take the value of pi equal to 22 upon 7 and radius r square is there, means you have to twice multiply 10.5 into 10.5. Okay. So next step, you'll write down equal to 22 upon 7 into r square means r into r. So 10.5 into 10.5 into h is given as 8. Now student, you can simplify. You can cancel 7 and 10.5. If you remove decimal, it becomes 105. So it will go. So 7 ones are 7. Now if you take before decimal 10 is there. So 7 ones are 7. You write down 1. So 10 minus 7, 3. Then point is there. So you'll introduce point here. Okay. Then 3 and then 5 will come. So it will become 35. So 7 5s are 35. So you'll write down 5. So what student you get? 1.5 over here. Okay. So next step, that is equal to 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 into 8. Now student, you have to multiply all these four numbers. That is 22 into 1.5. Whatever answer you get multiplied with 10.5, then the answer which you get multiplied with 8. So you will get answer as 2772 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. You can write this way. So the volume, always volumes unit is written in cubic units. So here the unit given as centimeter, so it will become centimeter cube. Okay. So final statement will write down. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to 2772 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now moving to the second one. The radius given is 2.5 meter and height given is 7 meter. So let's start. Find the volume of cylinder. So we'll write down in solution the radius of the base of cylinder R equal to 2.5 meter. Then height h is given equal to 7 meter. Now student will first write formula. So we'll write down therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now I'll substitute the values. Pi's value 22 upon 7 into r is given as 2.5. So r square 2.5 into 2.5 and into h is 7. So we'll write down into 7. Now student, you can cancel this 7 here, denominator 7 and this 7 of height you can cancel. So student, what you get? 22 into 2.5 into 2.5. So Now you'll write down 22 into 2.5 into 2.5. Now you know 2.5 into 2.5, you know 25 into 25, 625, 625. But 2 decimal point you have to put, because after 2.5 one digit is there and here 2.5 one digit. So it will become 6.25. So you'll write down next step 22 into 6.25. So you'll multiply 22 into 6.25. You'll get answer, student, 137.50 meter cube. So finally you'll write down, therefore volume of cylinder is equal to 137.5 meter cube. Okay. Now moving to the third one. Now in third, radius given is 4.2 centimeter and height given is 5 centimeter. Now solution. The radius of the cylinder R is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Height given is h equal to 5 centimeter. Now we'll first write the formula. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now we'll substitute the values, that is pi value 22 upon 7 into r is given 4.2 into 4.2 because r square into h is 5 into 5 will write down. Okay. Now here also you can see, student, 7, and if you take this number 42, it goes now in 7's table. So 7 ones are 7 and 42 if you see. So 7 6 are 42, but it is point. So it will become, first number will not go. So it will become 0. Point will introduce. So it will become 42, then 0.6. Okay. So you'll get 0.6 over here. Now next step you'll write down what remains, that is 22 into 0.6 into 44.2 into 5. So write down 22 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. Now you'll carry out the multiplication of all these four numbers and you'll write down the answer. So you get the answer, that is 277.2 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So final statement you'll write down, therefore volume of cylinder is equal to 277.2 centimeter cube. Okay student, it is directly based on formula. Now fourth one, that is radius is equal to 5.6 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. This student you will do by yourself, it is homework for you. Okay. Now moving to the second question. What is given? How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter? Means they have asked to find out how much iron will be needed to make a rod. Rod is in a cylindrical shape, that is, and the length of the rod is given 90 centimeter. Means the length means height over here, and diameter is given 1.4 centimeter. From diameter we can find radius. So length is height and diameter, from diameter we will get radius. So we can find the volume of the rod. So the diameter of the rod is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore we'll first find out radius. Therefore radius are equal to diameter upon 2, because radius is half of the diameter, that is equal to 1.4 upon 2. So you'll get 0.7 centimeter. Your radius you got 0.7 centimeter. Now length, that is height, is equal to 90 centimeter given. Now volume of the rod, because how much iron is needed means total volume is required. So therefore volume of iron rod equal to pi r square h formula. Now we'll substitute the value for pi 22 upon 7, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into radius we find out, that is 0.7. So we'll multiply into 0.7 into 0.7, and height is given as, that is length is height, that is equal to 90 centimeters. So 90 will put. Now student, you can simplify. The denominator will remove, so we can cancel 7 and this will become 0.1. So you'll get 0 0.1. Okay. So next step, student, you'll write down equal to 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into 90. You can multiply 22 into 0.1, you'll get 2.2. So 2.2 into 0.7 into 90. You'll multiply all these numbers and you'll get answer 138.6 centimeter cube. Okay, students. So final statement you'll write volume of iron rod is 138.6 centimeter cube. So this much iron will be required to make a rod. Okay. Now third one. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter and its depth is 0.7 meter? Now student, you have to find out how much water will a tank hold. Means how much water means the capacity of the tank, means volume you have to find out full first, and then you have to find out in liters how much water it can hold. Yes. So now it is given diameter of the tank is given as 1.6. From diameter we'll find out radius, and depth means height of the tank. So you'll write down solution. Interior diameter of the tank equal to 1.6 meter. It is given. So therefore radius r equal to diameter upon 2, that is equal to 1.6 divided by 2. So you will get radius as 0.8 meter. Now depth is given, that is height. So depth, that is height, equal to 0.7 meter. Now I'll put the formula. Therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, because interior part na the water, so volume you'll require to find out. So we'll find out volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. You'll substitute the value, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into radius is 0.8. So 0.8 into 0.8 into height is 0.7. So into 0.7. You can cancel 7 and 0.7. So here the denominator we can remove by cancelling. So 7, and it will become 0.1. Okay. So next you'll write down, that is equal to 22 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.1. Okay. Now student, you have to multiply it. Okay. So when you'll multiply, you'll get answer 1.408 meter cube. So you'll multiply all these 4, that is 22 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.1. Okay. So you'll get 1.408 meter cube. You can see decimal point 3 after decimal. All these 3 numbers have one digit after decimal. So 3, after 3 you will put your decimal point. So now you need to find the water, how much water will a tank hold. So in liters you have to find. So in previous lecture also I explained you that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Okay. So here we have found out the volume. So 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. So we'll convert it. So we'll get, that is 1.408 into 1000, that is equal to, decimal will shift to right hand side. So we'll get 1408 liters of water. So therefore tank can hold 1408 liters of water. Is it clear, students? Now moving to the next one. Fourth one. Find the volume of cylinder if the circumference of the cylinder is 132. You have to find the volume of cylinder if the circumference of cylinder is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. Now height is given, but here radius is not given. Now student, circumference of cylinder is given, that is 132. From circumference of cylinder we'll get the radius. So first we have to find radius from circumference of the cylinder. Then we will use the formula for volume of cylinder. So let's start. Solution. Circumference of the base of cylinder is given as 132 centimeter. So you know circumference formula. So you'll write down height equal to 25 centimeter given. Therefore, circumference of the base of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r because the base is in circular part. So circumference of circle, you know formula 2 pi r, which you have learnt in your previous standard. So you'll use 2 pi r. So already this value is given 132, that is you will place in place of circumference of the cylinder. So you'll write 1. Therefore 132 equal to 2 into pi's value 22 upon 7 into r we have to find. So now therefore next step it will become, therefore r equal to, now this 7, if you move to this side it will multiply to here, so it will become 132 into 7, and this 2 and 22 will come this side, then it will go to denominator upon 2 into 22. Okay, now further student you can simplify. That is, you can do cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 remaining. So again 12. So 2 6 are 12. Okay. Now student, you know that 22 and 66 also can get cancelled. Yes or no? That is 22 ones are and 22 threes are 66. So 22 ones are and this 66 will cancel and you will get right here 3. So r is equal to 3 into 7. So therefore next step we'll write down r is equal to 3 into 7. Okay. Therefore radius is equal to 3 sevens are 21. So you'll get 21 centimeter radius. Now you got radius and you already have height, that is 25 centimeter. So you can find volume of the cylinder. Therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So you'll substitute the value, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into r, you got 21 into 21 into 25. Now student, you can cancel this, that is 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. So you'll write down here 3. It will simply, you can simplify this. So next step, that is equal to 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. So if you multiply all these four numbers, 22 into 3 into 21 into 25, you will get 34,650 cubic centimeter. So the final statement will write down, volume of cylinder is equal to 34,650 cubic centimeter. Okay student, I hope you understood this. So please do complete your notes. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.